sorry. Sabi ko kasi, ang dami ng mga request. Ayoko na. Charis. Kumalma muna po. Kasi baka di ko maalala yung mga request. Okay? Kalma. Ano nyo ako, mag-ano lang ako, hinga lang ako, ha? Kakabalik lang po ng person. Holy Ghost, thank you so much. Yeah, I would love to. Sana soon. O diba, nakalimutan ko tuloy yung mga pinagko-comment. Pasensya na po. Love Moves by Nina. Akin ka na lang. Parang nag-trend yung gisingin ng puso, no? Ala-ala mo sa akin ay gumugulo. Till my heart aches and... Parang ang dami niyong broken-hearted ngayon. If you guys are broken-hearted, then you deserve it. Charis lang. Go Ate Ems. Thank you. Sana sa June para nasa Pinas din ako. June, mid ano. Di ako sure pag ganun eh. Pero yeah, sana. Next time. Sige, wait lang. 25 minutes. Alam ko ba itong 25 minutes? Pass po sa akin ka na lang. Gusto niyo po ba akong mahimatayin? Charis lang po. Musta ka dyan, Diva Ems? I'm good po here. Doing my best here in Hawaii. As a local. Feeling local. Maraming humuhugot ngayon. I know. Ang dami niyong broken-hearted. Paano nga yung first na to? Thank you, Cash. Sana ikaw, Shana. I hope ikaw din. Kasi you're always traveling. After some times, made up my mind. Wait lang. Sabi ni Chloe? How do you maintain yung kapayatan mo with your busy schedule? Kasi mabilis lang kasi yung metabolism ko kaya di ako nataba talaga. Ganun siguro. The girl, dito lang lagi. Sa pisngi na pupunta. Want to make her mind. I'm searching everywhere. Try ko lang to ha. To find her again. Tell her I love her. And I'm sorry about the things I've done. I find her standing in front of a church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying this. Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though you traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Char. Against the wind, going home again. Thank you, Kai. Wishing me back to that time when we were more than friends. But still I see her in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she cried while she was saying this. Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. street. Okay, di ko alam. I don't know this part, sorry. Sige, stand by for gisingin ng puso. Thank you! Shimmer, hello! Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though I've traveled so far, boy, you're sorry you are 25 minutes too late. All the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though you traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Thank you. Gusto ko yun, yung pag-ibig ko sana'y mapansin. Standby lang I will sing-singin ng puso muna, okay? Thank you guys so much. Once again, good afternoon.